Oh, just why would you do that when there's a lorry parked there? Oh, God.
Video protected.
Absolutely ridiculous parking there, that is. Is that parking there opposite that lorry? Blocking the whole road. How selfish can you get? I don't know. Yeah, you see the issue you're causing because you're selfish parking. When nobody can get past. I've got you on camera, I'm going to report your shitty parking. What an absolute... The lorry was already there. Are you for real? What an absolute shitty place to park.
Yes, it is. You're in the right place. You're in the right place, my friend. We're all in the right place. We're all here. Just a reminder. Good afternoon. Thanks to Lovely Hattie. She's back here tomorrow. Hopefully, please give away a bit more cash tomorrow. It's Michael Brooks. Have you had a good day today?
I have. I've been preparing.
Preparing?
Yeah, it's a thing
No, you move. You're parked like a head move.
No, you put it round the house.
Oh, potpourri.
Yeah, I've never been able to sit. I've never put other than that.
You've opened up the Christmas.
I've put the cinnamon sticks on the tree, all that jazz. I've brought out the posh.
Blocking the road. Yeah, oh, I thought so. Oh, you can move.
No, I've not seen. The Coca-Cola.
You park properly next time.